me will never going to stop with the class which I'm taking. It's not about like 12 hours, you finish, you carry on, and I carry on. It doesn't mean like that. So after that, we will get into the group, a small group I've created called the Great Electro Homeopaths in Telegram. In that, we will always be attached, and you can post as many doubts as possible. For every doubts will be cleared by some or the other person in the group, and it will be monitored by me. If they are not doing it, then it will be done by me end of
Okay.
the day. And if there are some emergency cases where I am not able to see the group, you will be able to call me, and you just tell me like it is in like condition, the patient is here, I need to prepare medicines and give. So we will attend the call. So it is never like don't call me will not be an option at all. If I don't pick it up, I will call you back once the clinic hours ends in.
Okay.
Generally, I start my clinic by 7:30 in the morning, and the show goes on till about 4, 4:30, 5 max.
Okay.
5 max, it's Papa taking class. Okay, so I'll be able to guide you. It's not like 12 hours class. In this 12 hours, it is an input inside you that what you can do with electrohomeopathy. This is a basic class. We have an advanced class called the plants and electrohomeopathy, where electrohomeopathy is basically about 114 plants. Count Caesar Matti of Italy is the father of electrohomeopathy. He worked on 114 plants, coined them into 38 groups. Each group does its own job. One is for functional medicine, function of the liver, function of spleen, function of lungs, function of kidneys, function of skin, each and every function. Function of intestine, large intestine, gastric system, everywhere. So one is functional medicine. Second group, what we study is called C group, called structural medicine. So first group is S group, functional medicine. Second group is structural, C group, where if for example if skin function is not good, if skin structure is not good, we can combine function and structural medicine. Third group is called P group or Petrole group, which is especially for lungs. Fourth group is called L group, which is especially for lymphatic system in the body, which is especially for the lymphatic system on the body. Then we have Ven group, venereal diseases, genital organ diseases, groin diseases, ladies related issues or gents related issues. Then we have worm group like deworming, worms, infections. Okay. Then we have A group, which is for circulatory system. Okay. Then we have an SL group where it is works on the intestine. Then we have one group for the skin. It is beautifully been divided into many groups so that you are able to address each and every system with electrohomeopathy. All
Okay.
right. Now, people generally ask me for certificates. Okay, people
Okay.
generally ask me for certificates. As far as certificates is concerned, this is just a basic workshop. Okay, I am very ardent believer of being a doctor. I have little ego in a doctor, I will say. I have a little ego in my doctor. Why? Because when I use a word ego, here ego is pride that I am a doctor. All right, that pride, it goes not on the head, it is from the heart. Okay, head pride will never comes to me. It cannot come also from the heart, because as a doctor we are able to treat many diseases. Today, if I'm able to treat, I will share you my screenshots also today. We are able to treat at least 413 COVID patients successfully only with electrohomeopathy, not with any other medicines, no allopathy. If they want to continue zinc, vitamin C, they can continue. Kabasura, they want to continue, let them continue. But electrohomeopathy forms a major group for them. They trust electrohomeopathy, then used it. I will share a screenshots. When I say I have an ego and a pride from heart, it means when you do practice, when you get into your practice, this 2 days workshop is not sufficient.
Yes, I know.
This 2 days workshop is not sufficient. That is why we don't give certificates. Because if I give certificate, I'm very sure people will hang it and start their practice. I will say this 2 days workshop utilize for your near ones and dear ones in your practice. Give medicine to yourself. See what I am teaching or what you are learning, is it true or not? Don't
Okay.
believe me, don't believe me blindly at all. The knowledge which I am giving, don't believe at all. Try among yourself, give it to your friends, families, openly give it, no problem at all. Nobody will ask you a question, because as far as Supreme Court order or various high courts order, they have not banned the practice of electrohomeopathy for promotion and development. We cannot run a diploma or a degree course, which I don't run also. We take classes at various levels, give you certificate workshops provided you do that full 1 year program is a certificate course. In that 1 year program, for my satisfaction, I will be teaching you on anatomy, I will be teaching you on physiology, why do you have to use these medicines, what is the benefit of these plants, why do you use these plants. Unless and until you know this, don't guide people with half knowledge, because half knowledge is dangerous. And in my profession, we don't want to danger anybody. That is
Yes.
why we don't give certificates. And certificate is just a piece of paper.
Yes.
I can just print a certificate and give it to you whatever you want, because anybody who done bachelor degree, anybody who do a diploma degree, anybody who do a certificate course is 1 year, diploma is 3.5 years. Somebody takes bachelor degree for 4 years and then 4.5 years. All certificates will become normal when a council will form.
Yes.
The council, when it is going to form, when all certificates become normal, then why do we spend more money to learn a bachelor degree or a diploma degree?
Yes.
Correct. ஒரே
Yes.
வருஷத்துல when we are able to get full knowledge
Yes.
wise, I'm very sure. If you are not satisfied, I can take classes again and again. And one advantage is, once you do a diploma or any course of mine, you can join all my courses anytime without any charges. Like if you are not satisfied with this 6 hours class, sir, I want to learn more, you can join again. Whenever I take class, you can definitely join again. Irrespective why did you join, nobody will ask questions. And anybody who organizes for me also, he cannot ask question from me that why did they join, they have not paid. So it is an open rule for all my students, not students, maybe colleagues. Once or for 6 days I will be a teacher. After 6 days we are all colleagues. Simple, that's my funda, very simple funda. All right. So we will be learning a beautiful art now. So yoga la we will, when we just understand in yoga point of view, mind, body and atma, MBA concept we do it. Acupuncture, mind, body and atma. Okay, everywhere it's mind, body and atma. Electrohomeopathy also stands for the same, MBA, mind, body and atma. Okay, where the plant, when we use electrohomeopathy plants, we use the physical form of the plant. Okay, we use a physical form of the plant, the mercurial part of the plant, the sulfur part of the plant and the salt part of the plant. The mercurial part of the plant, we say it is a prana of the plant. The sulfur part of the plant, we say it is the solid part of the plant. And the salt part of the plant, we say it is the soul of the plant. So human body is made up of solid part, liquid part and a soul. These three parts has to function together to form it. Similarly, electrohomeopathy plants, the way they are being prepared, the entire plant, not even 1% of the plant is being wasted in the preparation. The soul of the plant is sustained. That is why when I talk about electrohomeopathy, like we are very much confident in which level it has helped us, and how is your practice is going to be in another 1 year. I can guide you in a course of time. You will understand that all your therapies will be a supporting therapy for you with electrohomeopathy. When you do EH with acupuncture, results will be superb. When you teach people with EH with pranayama and specific yoga for that particular disease, your yoga and EH can do wonders. When Lalita ma'am practices EH and takes away with acupuncture, her practice will increase everywhere, because when people come to you, they need some medicines for them to take inside. வீட்டு வைத்தியமாவது சொல்லுங்க. So when
Mm.
you guide them few suggestions of house, they become happy. Okay, ma'am has guided me along with acupuncture. Take this. After ma'am's guidance of home remedies and acupuncture, I'm better. Here we will give them an apt remedy for their conditions. That is why we say when we do an electrohomeopathy workshop, okay, certificate is a bit of paper, still you want to have it. I have a small charitable institution where no charities are allowed from outside, which we do it from our side. Still we have not opened up. Angaland, I can easily give you, any NGO can give you that certificate. It will take me only about 32 rupees for me to print a certificate, nothing else. So still if you anybody needs it, I can give them for their satisfaction. They have done the 2 days participation course in the basic electrohomeopathy workshop. As a participation course in basic EH workshop, I'll try to go for the certificate also for this batch, which so far I have not given. We can always, because those who have done my 2 days workshop have always done my advanced and diploma or certificate course. I'm very sure about it, because those who want to practice more and can help people till they, because electrohomeopathy is one practice where people don't need to come to you. This all these 413 COVID patients, nobody has stepped into clinic through Danzo, through somebody, courier into Tamil Nadu, six districts of Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, at least four different areas of Bangalore, Hosur from Indranagar. Then it has gone to Rajasthan from Chennai. It has gone to Delhi. It has gone to Jaipur. Matlab different places it has gone from our place. So Hyderabad it has gone, Coimbatore it has gone. So every place it has gone. So same. So when one person like me, when I can do so much area, you have all your individual patients fixed. Nirmala ma'am have her patients. Ram Gopal sir will have his students. Lalita ma'am will have her patients. Nobody is going to club up. So we can give a best treatment to each and every person who comes to us. That's the combination approach. So here in EH, I will guide you all, take you through a smooth journey of how these EH medicines are being formed. What was Dr. Count? No, he's not a doctor. Count Caesar Matisse. What was his efforts? Why did he develop an EH practice? Why he has not practiced something else? What was his notion to practice? What was his basis to practice? How did he combine plants? And how do you prepare medicines? And for you advantages, Mamta ma'am is available to provide you the kits. So I have ordered already 4 to 5 kits in Mamta ma'am's clinic. The moment you finish the class, if you want to practice, start practicing, kits will be available with Mamta ma'am for sure. Okay. So
Okay.
I have done my homework properly, and I will do next 12 hours of journey with me. I will try to do my homework fully. In this, if you feel anywhere, no sir, like we are not comfortable with your teaching, please stop me then and there itself. Clear your doubts in between. Don't wait for the end of the class.
Okay.
Let us make it as a live session, not a session where I keep on talking and you just try to ask questions at the end when down. In between, like you don't understand one point in between, you just raise hand or open your mic and ask questions. Then and there, let us clarify it. Let us make it more lively so that you don't need to really wait for the end of the session, or after 6 days if you want to ask question, you will definitely forget, or I will bombard you with more information. Your basic doubt you will forget.
Okay.
Adu vendam. Then and there clear it up. So it becomes very simple for us. Okay. I
Okay.
hopefully like we will go through a smooth journey. From tomorrow we'll start the actual class. I will just record. I have recorded already this video. You can forward
Okay.
this video into group. Still, if people are joining, we can still reduce the cost of the workshop. Very simple,
Yes.
which
Okay.
Nirmala ma'am was talking to me like money is a problem. If there is a genuine student, if you feel he or she wants to practice, அவங்களுக்கு இப்போ பணம் இல்லை, வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க பே பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு யாராவது இருந்தாங்கன்னா,
Okay.
put them into the group.
Otherwise, you can provide some installment facility also.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay.
My money will never go anywhere. It will come to me.
Okay. Okay.
They
I
can pay.
personally spoke to few persons, sir.
My
They're
money,
having vitamin A.
medicines also பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொரியர் அனுப்பிச்சிடுவோம், பணம் தானா வரும். அதான் என்னோட இந்த வேர்ட் I have kept in. My money will come to me for sure.
Yes, I know.
அது somehow people wants to pay in installment, people wants to pay me later also, but they are interested, they are good practicing people and they cannot afford now for time being, maybe lockdown நால ஒன்ஸ் லாக்டவுன் முடிச்சு அவங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட பே பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதான் நீங்க வந்துட்டு அடிக்கடி என்னோட ஜிபே கேட்கும்போது அதான் நான் சொன்னேன், நான் ஜிபே நம்பர் அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன், நீங்க பொறுமையா கூட பே பண்ணுங்க, எனக்கு நோ ப்ராப்ளம். இஹெச் இஸ் வாட் ஐ லைக் இட். அண்ட் இஹெச் நீங்க எப்போ அடுத்த ராத்திரியில எந்திரிச்சு கேட்டா கூட இஹெச்ல எந்த டவுட் வேணாலும் கிளியர் ஆகும்.
Okay.
Because we are educating ourselves day by day, more and more clarifications are coming to us, so we are able to guide people with நாங்க பண்ண ஹார்ட் எஃபர்ட்ஸ் ஆர் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் when you
Okay.
learn from us. குயிக் ஃபார்முலாஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்துடும். ஏன் வந்துடும், அதுக்கும் ஒரு ரீசன் இருக்கு. வெறும் ஃபார்முலாஸ் வராது. நீங்க கொஸ்டின் கேட்டீங்கன்னா அதுல குரூப்ல திருப்பி நான் ஒரு 2 கொஸ்டின் கேட்பேன், நீங்க ஒரு 6 நான் திருப்பி சொல்லுவேன், இதை நீங்க படிச்சுட்டு எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க இது என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்னு சொல்லிட்டு, அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் ஃபார்முலா சொல்றேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ பிளைண்டா உங்களை வந்துட்டு பப்பட்டா ஆக்க விட மாட்டேன். இது என்னோட டீச்சிங் மெத்தடாலஜி. ஸோ கொஞ்சம் டீச்சிங்க்கும் ப்ரிப்பேர்டா இருங்க, லேர்னிங்க்கும் ப்ரிப்பேரா இருங்க. Okay.
No issue. No issue.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send you the details. All
Okay.
sort of students who wants to learn can pay me later also. Not a problem. 12 hours of good journey will go for it. And then let's see who are all getting benefits. No
Okay.
problem. You can put forward as many students as possible. Finally, let me prepare and tell you what will be the fees after
Okay.
2-3 sessions. Okay.
Okay.
6,000 tentative இருக்கட்டும். More
Okay.
students 5, more students 4. So
Okay.
for them also paying easy. For me, it's not a problem at all. God
Okay.
is given me sufficient. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow by 5, I will start it.
Okay.
Zoom le vechikalam. I will try to right now in between Zoom விட்டுட்டேன், clinicல busy இருக்கிறதுனால. I will try to upgrade to a pro version so that we don't miss our class in between.
Okay.
Okay.
No issue.
Okay,
no
ma'am.
issue.
இந்த வீடியோ மட்டும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்றேன், ma'am.
Okay. So one more thing I want.
Yes, ma'am.
See, what is the difference between
Homeopathy and electro homeopathy.